Oh, all right. Me and Reece are back again. What do we got here? A tat or a...
Tat Deluxe.
Yes, a tat deluxe with GE vents.
Yeah, does not have any mounting.
No.
I would either assume it was bell canopy or ball socket symbol.
I think on its weight, usually bell canopy contained the cast iron, and that does not feel like cast iron. Maybe, actually, that could be cast aluminum, because it felt like a cast motor of some sort. So it's possible. I mean, the one thing I could do, if you excuse me for a moment, I'm going to go grab a speaker. I have a little speaker. All right, I got a little speaker here I'm going to go up on with the magnet. Not hard to do it with the... It does feel like an aluminum, though.
Is it sticking to it?
It's sticking to the motor housing, so kind of hard to do with the switch housing, so thought it'd be easier. I need a smaller magnet to do this. Easier with an industrial.
Alright, let's set it to low.
Yeah, it's set, it should be set to low. I know that's what you set it last, too.
One of the blades seems a bit out of clock, but it's not a big deal. It is chonk, though, which is why I bought it. It's chonk.
Okay, so it is drawing 0.28 amps, 13.5 watts, and just below half a power factor. Want to bring it to medium while you're up there?
We didn't actually test it on medium, we just tested it on low and high.
Okay, medium is 0.44 amps, 34 watts. Over half a power factor, bring it to high. Doesn't look bad, so 0.67 amps, and as far as the airflow goes, I am feeling it. Are you feeling that?
I can feel, there's obvious air moving.
There is, but yeah, it's definitely what I call the residential spinner category.
Because it is.
It is. It's exactly that. All right, I did a power factor of 1.
What was it rated for on high?
0.67.
Alright, turn it off.
And let me do power factor. Yeah. Yep, 80 watts and a power factor of 1 on high. So here's spin down. Flip the switch while you're up there.
Did I flip it?
No, flip it down actually. It was already, and then set it to low again. Okay, and let it spin down. There's one thing I'm actually seeing,
Does it seem out of clock?
actually I see one blade that may be flat, so let it spin down and I'm going to go up there.
This one?
Yep.
Hopefully we don't break it.
Oh yeah, I'm going to be gentle with that. I mean,
I don't know how resilient these blades are.
that's a good question. So it's real slow and easy. I mean, at least with a cast iron, or not cast iron, even just a cast spinner, you'll have solid leverage.
Well, that's what I thought with that Moss Olympus.
Huh?
That's what I thought about that Moss Olympus.
Yeah.
That snap.
Oh yeah. I wonder, do you think you twisted or bent it too hard?
Well, It was already out of clock quite a bit, so it might have already been weakened.
That's possible.
So hopefully this doesn't,
Yeah,
cause a problem with it.
yeah, I know. I'm always afraid of that.
I mean, blade arms might be findable, maybe not.
Well, these are probably possible. Let's just see. I'm gonna let it spin down first. Let's just see.
Which one is it?
These two are tilted. This one.
Careful.
And then this one. Okay, they look much better.
Are they all about the same pitch?
Yeah, just,
Alright, there we go.
yeah, I think so. That should be good enough.
Do you think they're still a bit out of clock looking at it?
Slightly, but that didn't seem to create any wobble, really. I didn't really see much, or barely any, so. So here's low reverse. And the current draw is pretty much the same, maybe a nose hair higher. Get ready to bring to medium. See what it does on medium.
Can I put it on medium?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, go for it. Yeah. Okay, it's a little bit lower than forward air movement. And then bring it to high. I'll bring it to high. Yeah, interesting. It's seems slower and less current on high, so I think it just has a different coil. This could have a different motor coil for reverse than forward.
So like a different speed coil?
Yeah, or a different motor coil in general that it's going through for reverse, because high reverse is like different, way different on high than in forward. So, I want to turn it off, flip it back. Oh, flip it back. You can probably stop it because I'm ready for a decade box. Yeah, that never works.
Yeah.
Okay, ready for decade box. Wanna come on back. Alright. I'll do it. Yeah, go for it. Let's see. 1, 2,
3.
3 of the. Oh, it started on 3. Actually, I saw it start on 3.
I'm gonna turn it back to 3 to see if it keeps going.
Okay, go for it.
I think it's gonna keep going. I'm gonna skip to 5.
Okay, yeah, go to 5. All right.
Would you say this was rated for?
0.67 is what it did on forward high. So you got a ways, of course. I mean, this is kind of a low end of functional low, I call this. I mean, some people, this would be a great restaurant low right here.
I'm gonna go to 7.
Yeah. Okay.
8.
All right.
Can I go to 10?
Sure.
Not very much buzz.
Well, no, we were using capacitor
Well, I
based.
think sometimes these hum on their own.
Well,
I've
sure.
noticed that fans at lower speeds tend to have a bigger wobble than when they're high speed.
Oh yeah. Well, one thing I know as far as the hum goes, it depends if the 3-speed pull chain is choke or capacitor based itself. Because I mean, right now it's really quiet. Yeah, because you're using capacitor based with capacitors, and then you're just running through its main value.
I got 14.
Where are you at?
I'm at 13 now.
13.
This might be a bit of a rush.
Okay, you can go up. Go up. Where are you at? 15. Okay. Keep going up.
17.
17. You should have a ways to go.
I want to go straight to 20.
Yeah, at this point you can. Okay, so you're still under, so we could use either an 8, 12, 20 or
21.
yep. At this point we'll probably skip a few if you want to. Yep. Where are you at? 23 or 24? All right, go up another few. Up, probably you just bring it right to 30 at this point.
You said it's 0.67.
Yep, we got a ways, so come on back and flip the other switch on. Yeah.
I'm going to go to 34.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, you got plenty of room to do that.
I'm going to go straight to 40.
Yeah, I think you have enough room for that. You maxed out. Oh, now you're at 40. And you're still under, so no resonant frequency of any kind.
I'm going to take it to high to see if there's a difference.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. That's for going to solid state. Just flip the high switch. That's all part of the capacitor system. Oh, yeah. I see a difference.
Slight difference.
Actually, a bit more than a slight difference, if you ask me, what I've seen. All right, want to try the solid state with this? Bring it all back and, yeah, turn it all off. Yeah, let's...
I'll go up.
You want to go up and stop it by hand?
Motor's not even warm. Usually I'd expect the...
Oh, well, it's a good motor. Ooh. All right, let's try the solid state. Check out how noisy this one is.
Buzzy.
Very faint hum. Nothing that I would even.
That could just be in Russian.
This would be living room quiet, where the hum is kind of smooth. It's not like buzzy and annoying. Where I could take it, being in an area of the house that you're active in, I wouldn't be bothered by it.
I'm gonna take it straight to high.
Yeah, go for it.
And now it goes away.
Oh yeah, usually at high speed it does.
Turn it off.
Yep. Let's see what.
Do I
Yeah,
flip
the
back-
current.
Do I flip back to cap and then?
You can. Or just turn it back down.
And then are we doing 0 to high?
Oh yeah.
And also do the very quiet switch movement so I can hear the thing.
Sure. I gotta watch the meter this time. I didn't. no inrush or barely an inrush. Now, if you wanted more of a sound, here, I'm going to turn it off. Try this. Stop it again. Check this out.
What are you going to do?
Okay, I'm going to go to solid state. I'm going to click it off. I'm going to act like I'm, in like whatever commercial setting, whether it's a library, a church, or, a hall, like a Legion Hall.
A little bit of buzz, or you can turn it off.
Okay. All right. Well, I just wanted to hear if there was any more of a whining sound, when you turn it on with the solid state, like right to high. You know what I mean? But, all right. Well, I guess that's all for this this Tat Deluxe. So we'll be back with more fans. So keep watching and subscribing.